People definitely want to be able to choose and make things unique to them, especially in today's society. I think what companies like Printful really allow you to do is take advantage of that and offer a total ton of options. My name's Chad Price. I'm one of the co-founders of Kettlebell Kings. We are an online retailer of kettlebells and everything surrounding kettlebells. We started our company about 5 years ago. It's 3 owners that actually own the company. The 3 of us are just all college buddies, and we decided to open up a fitness company, and here we are 5 years later. We have been friends since we were about 18 years old. Once we graduated college, we all wanted to stay and do something competitive, still work together, still have some type of team camaraderie, and this is kind of our new outlet to do so. Kettlebells are actually an ancient tool, but in the fitness world, I guess relatively you'd consider them new. When we first started, everything was about obviously getting the best quality kettlebells that we could and offering our customers the highest quality content around those kettlebells. And so as our brand grew, we kind of started the Kettlebell Kings community, which is kind of a self-sustaining community of kettlebell enthusiasts who like to, participate in events. They like to share communications about new techniques, new ideas, new kettlebells, the best products out there. And so at that point, we really realized that we needed to start kind of branching out, having apparel, having things that people could kind of use and take with them and purchase for their friends and family. So we found Printful kind of due to necessity. We started out building our own kind of apparel department. We started with one shirt and all the sizes required and the color required. Then we started, with a second color and a third color, and then we started, we need another shirt. And so at about 3 shirts in, we realized it was going to become overwhelming trying to manage an apparel department, and we really wanted to stay focused on our main products and our main SKUs. And so we just didn't know how to get to at least a baseline level of inventory that was at least recognized as a credible store. And so companies like Printful allow us to go in and really build out a store that looks credible, and even for a small size company, you can still have a reputable looking apparel section. People were preferential to having more options and having the availability in every color versus the 1 or 2 colors that we were actually able to carry in-house. As far as where we draw our inspiration for our logos and designs, I would say mainly from the 3 of us and what we envision around kettlebells and the vision of the company. We really like the shape of a kettlebell, and so you'll see a lot of things that we do be focused kind of around that shape in some way, shape, or form. And I think alliteration and things like that kind of go a long way in those types of concepts. Yeah, one of the things I guess that Printful allows us to do as well is choose different shirts as owners, and so we can all say choose a different design and which one we think is going to be popular, and it allows us to test it without really having to go and make an upfront purchase. And so it's kind of a fun game we can play behind the scenes of my style is the best or no one liked your style kind of deal. So that's kind of fun sometimes. I think we all have different dreams, I guess, as owners of where the company goes, and I think at the end of the day where they come together is we want to kind of build a wellness company. And so our company is really focused around kettlebells, but it's really around the community, and it's really around building a healthy lifestyle.
Hey there, it's Wes from Printful. I hope you liked that video. Leave us a comment below on what video you'd like for us to make. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that way you always get a notification when we have a new video.